Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to tow vehicles in Project Zomboid. Note that larger, more powerful vehicles like pickups or trucks are best used for towing because smaller cars struggle with it. Drive your towing vehicle close to the front or rear of the vehicle you want to tow. The bumper should be near the other car's bumper. Once they're aligned and close, get out of the towing vehicle and stand between the two vehicles where they meet. Now hold the V button to open the vehicle radial menu. You'll see an option with a plus symbol that says something like attach towing vehicle to other car. Select it to hook the two vehicles together. Once attached, get back in your towing vehicle's driver's seat and start driving as normal. The second vehicle will trail behind your car. Towing is slower and uses more fuel, so drive carefully and keep an eye on road obstacles. When you're ready to detach, stop in a safe spot, stand between the vehicles again, hold V to open the radial menu and choose the minus option to disconnect. And that's how you tow a vehicle in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.